grab a chair. It's gonna be fun.
Whoa! Whoa! Look at that tire!
How's it going, YouTube? Welcome to my channel. If you're here for the first time, I hope to earn your subscription. What this channel's about, it's basically about Jeeping, off-roading, how-tos, how to clean, how to maintenance, how to take apart, how to put together, how to install, all those things. So if you're a new Jeeper and you feel lost and you don't know where to start, this might be the channel for you. Or if you're Jeeping for a long time, you already know most of the stuff, that's fine too. You might just maybe find some humor in the way I do things. Either way, enough of all that. Let's get this video on the road. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We're going to do a quick, easy how to change out your air filter in your Jeep Wrangler. Come along. You might have stock engine latches, engine hood latches, but I've replaced mine with some beefier ones. These actually tighten down the hood so it didn't rattle on the freeway. If you're having that problem, I'll see if I can't find the exact link for the items that I did buy, and I'll put it in the description below. After you get the latches apart, you're going to want to lift your hood just a little bit, and just down in there, I don't know if you can see this, but slide your finger in there, and there's a hook that hooks the latch down. You're going to want to slide it to the driver's side. Okay, now that you got the hood open, you're going to reach down and grab this support bar here, and it goes right in that hole there. All right, to locate where your air filter is, it's very simple. It's going to be on the passenger side as far forward as you can. It's going to be this big box right here. To open the box, you're just going to find these 4 clips that hold on to the lid of the air filter box by pulling them off here. One back here. There's one here. And there's one back here. Now this one's going to be a little bit more tricky to get to, but stick your hand in there and just pop it off. All right guys, once you get those 4 clips disconnected off the top of this air housing, go ahead and take a 10mm wrench or socket. In my case, it was just easier to grab a wrench, and go ahead and take these 2 nuts, these 2 bolts off. After you've taken off the 2 bolts, go ahead and dislodge the radiator hose. Now that you've unbolted the 2 bolts that secure the air intake to the engine, it's going to be easy for you to go ahead and lift up the housing cover to expose your air filter. You don't have to take the housing completely off to get to your air filter. Just get it up enough so you can pull this sucker out. I got this air filter. It's reusable. You just rinse it off on Amazon. And if this is something you're interested in, I'll link it at the bottom. I'll link it in the description for you. We're just gonna make sure it's the same size, same shape. Just like that. Make sure it goes in the same way that the old one came out. If you notice where these 2 angles of the top of the air filter start, they're a little off center by, it looks like, one of these rings. When you look inside the airflow, this air box here, you can see also that pattern. So in this case, the long side goes towards the rear of the vehicle. Once you get it seated properly, go ahead and reattach the top of the air box. While I'm here, it looks like I found a loose hose clamp. I'm going to go ahead and tighten it up while I'm here. Now that the lid is on, I'm going to go ahead and attach or re-clip on all 4 of these clips. reapply the hose into the holders here, and reattach or resecure the air intake with the bolts that you took out. Alright, well I hope I made that very easy and simple and straightforward for you guys. This is going to conclude the video. Thanks for watching, and I hope you join me on the next video.